Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. You can see that on my computer, the disk usage stays around 0% or 1%. Even though the CPU and memory usage keep changing, the disk usage remains very low because I have already applied some optimizations. In this video, I'll show you those same optimizations so you can reduce high disk usage on your own PC. First, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if the User Account Control window appears. Now, we'll run a few commands. You can find all of these commands in the video description. Type the following command: chkdsk space c:/scan. Then press Enter. Windows will begin scanning your drive. This process may take a few minutes, so wait until it's finished. Once the scan is complete, type the next command: chkdsk space c:/f. Then press Enter. Sometimes Windows will display a message saying that the scan will run the next time the computer restarts. If that happens, press the Y key to confirm. The next time you restart your computer, Windows will automatically check and repair your drive if needed. After that, close the command prompt window. Next, click on the Windows search bar and type Services, then press Enter. In the Services window, we'll disable a few services. Scroll down to the sysmain service. Double-click on sysmain. Click the Stop button. Then change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Now scroll to Connected Devices Platform Service. Double-click on it. Click Stop. Change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. These two services alone often help reduce high disk usage. However, if you still don't notice much improvement, you can also disable Windows Search. Scroll down until you find Windows Search. Double-click it. Click Stop. Set the startup type to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK.
Only do this if disabling the first two services doesn't make much difference. Now, open File Explorer. Click on This PC from the left panel. Right-click on your local disk C and choose Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Optimize and Defragment Drive, click Optimize. Then click Change Settings under Scheduled Optimization. Uncheck Run on a Schedule, recommended. This doesn't disable optimization completely. It only stops Windows from running it automatically in the background. You can still optimize your drives manually whenever you want. Click OK, then Close, and close all the remaining windows. Next, right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see the applications that start automatically when Windows boots. Disable startup apps that you don't need, such as Microsoft Edge, OneDrive, Steam, Discord, Skype, or other third-party applications. These applications can always be opened manually later. However, do not disable audio drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, graphics drivers, antivirus software, or other important system-related items. Once you've disabled the unnecessary startup apps, close Task Manager. Now, click on the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Press Enter. This opens the list of installed programs. Look through the list and uninstall any applications or toolbars that you no longer use. If you're unsure what a program does, search its name on Google before uninstalling it. Removing unused software can also reduce unnecessary background activity. Now, right-click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to System, then click Storage. Wait a few moments while Windows calculates your storage usage. Click on Temporary Files. You'll see categories such as Recycle Bin, Downloads, Windows Update Cleanup, Windows Old, and other temporary files. If you still need the files inside your Downloads or Recycle Bin, leave those unchecked. You can safely select the remaining temporary files. Then click Remove Files. After the cleanup is complete, close the Settings window. Next, right-click on the Start button and click Run. Type Temp. Press Enter. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A. Then press Shift+Delete to permanently remove them. Now open the Run window again. This time type %temp%. Click OK. Again press Ctrl+A to select everything. Press Shift+Delete.
If Windows asks to skip any files that are currently in use, check the box and click Skip.
Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer. After restarting, open Task Manager and check your disk usage again. In most cases, you'll notice that the disk usage has been reduced significantly. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.